So let's just see how we can search for an element in the circular singly linked list. So here we have the circular singly linked list with 3 nodes. Now suppose we are looking for a value in that circular linked list. So the approach is we're gonna use one temporary pointer which will initially point to the head, and then we're gonna use one loop and we're gonna traverse the list, and in each iteration we're gonna compare this value with the node's value. If they matches, then we're gonna say the data is found. Otherwise we're gonna continue until we reach to the last node. So after traversing the whole list, if we do not found any match, in that case we're gonna say the element not found. So here you can see we have the circular linked list with 3 nodes. Now here we can write the function to search for an element in the circular singly linked list. So let's just define the function. So we're gonna call the function search. So the function will take struct node type pointer head, and also we have to pass the value that we are searching for. Now inside the function, first of all we have to check if the list is empty or not. So if the head is pointing to null, that means the list is empty. So in that case we can just simply print list is empty, and then we're just gonna return. Otherwise, if we have multiple nodes in the list, so we have to perform the search. So first of all we have to create this temporary pointer which will initially point to the head. So we're gonna create struct node type pointer temporary which will initially point to the head. Now we're gonna use one loop to traverse to the last node. So let's just use the do while loop. So inside the do block, first of all we're gonna compare if the temporary data matches with the value, then we're gonna say match found, and then we can just simply return. Otherwise, if we do not found any match, in that case we're gonna check for the element in the next node. So we're gonna shift the temporary pointer to the next node. Now inside the while block, the condition will be, so the loop will continue as long as the temporary pointer does not become equal to the head. So in every iteration we're gonna check if the temporary data matches with the value. So that means first of all we're gonna check the node's value with this value. If they do not match, then we're going to shift the temporary pointer, and also we're gonna compare the node's value with this value, and we're gonna continue this process. So when the temporary pointer becomes equal head, when the temporary pointer checks all the nodes and then it comes back to the head, in that point of time we're going to terminate the loop, then our search will end. So that means we have searched for the whole linked list and do not find any match. So in that case we are simply going to print match not found, and that's it. So this is the simple logic to search for an element in the linked list. So currently we have 3 nodes in the circular singly linked list. Now here we can perform the search. So we can call the search function. So first of all we're gonna pass the head node and then the value that we are searching for. So let's just search for the value 200. So you can see the value 200 does exist in the linked list. So here we got the output match found. Now let's just search for an element like 500 which does not exist in the list, and now you can see we're getting the output match not found. So that means our function is working properly. So this is the way we can search for an element in the circular singly linked list. So hope you understand the concept. See you in the next one. Take care.